Coughing is a reflex that the body uses to keep the airway clean. But some coughs, however, are because of underlying illnesses. Night cough is a cough that occurs primarily at night when you are laying down. Here are some ways to calm that dry cough at night so that you will be able to get some rest. I know it is very exhausting. Number 1. Raise your head up a bit with an extra pillow while sleeping. Number 2. Drink honey and lemon before bed. Please note, this is not for babies younger than 1 year old. Number 3. Consume warm tea or soup. Number 4. After showering for bedtime, do not use high-scented perfumes or fragrances. Number 5. Close bedroom windows at night to stop the cold air from getting in. Number 6. If you have acid reflux, take your medication as prescribed. Number 7. Visit your pharmacy for over-the-counter medication. Number 8. And finally, check your medication to see if it gives coughing side effects. Some medication for hypertension does. Side note, persons who have asthma, common cold, allergies, acid reflux, and an upper respiratory infection will experience cough more often. Consult your doctor if the following occurs: coughing up blood, choking or vomiting, experiencing chest pain or pressure in the chest, having difficulty breathing or swallowing. Tell us in the comment section what you use to ease your night coughs. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, hit the bell icon, like, comment and share.